What's going on, you guys? Today I'm gonna make a video about, just 4 things you can do so that way it can spice up your training. Because believe it or not, training on a wavemaster can get kind of dull and redundant after a while. So my goal is to help you spice up your training and show you 4 different ways, and just ways you can enhance your martial arts. All right. Now, we all know the first way is the standard strikes, all right? So I'll just bring you guys along with me. All right, so we all know, number 1, just standard striking. Just yeah, right? Simple enough. Obviously, this is good for stand-up. Part 2, leading the wavemaster over, working your clinch game with the knees. Switching your feet, even so far as the body shot, going sideways. Oh, get to that later. Slapping the wavemaster with the inside of your knee, or even going sideways. Working some uppercuts. A good way to enhance your training. The third way is getting into, full mount, right? And just going with some ground and pound. I like to keep this going on where your legs are elevated because it gives you a nice little ability to, ride the surfboard a little bit and just go into some strikes. But, what's next? The 4th way is, what if you get flipped over and look where you end up? Now you're on bottom. You gotta work your strikes from here. And last but not least, the transition to bring your training full circle. Get that push off, stand up on base, and go right back into your stand-up ground game, or not stand-up game. But, the benefit behind all this is that it keeps you invigorated, so that way you keep going with your arts. You keep getting better with what you're doing, because believe it or not, if you quit, you're going to stay right where you're at, and you'll never be able to achieve the things that you did not think were possible because you stopped, so you never grow. The whole point of this is just to reinvigorate your training, get better while you're having fun, so you continue training, because when you're having fun training, you get better. When you get better, you have more fun, and when you have fun, you just keep going, and the cycle continues. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any kind of questions whatsoever, just feel free to, drop a message, write a comment, and then maybe I can make a video for you. Send me some training videos so we can work things out with each other, all right? I hope you guys like that, and I hope you use it, and, for the kids, teach them so that way they learn how to fight for their future. That's right, teach the kids how to fight for the future. All right, guys, see you later.